Mr.Shield glass screen protectors for the Nikon Z30. Comes with this nice hard package. 3 screen protectors and soft padding, which is good. Side we've got instructions, alcohol pads, bubble remover, cleaning cloth, these for positioning, 3 dust removers. First I'm going to remove my existing one. The directions use these to position the screen protector on here so that you can fold it over. So in this case, with one of the screen protectors, it's going to go this direction with the sticker facing the camera. So it's doing a little test fit before I commit to this. In this case, we can alcohol prep. These have been sitting for quite a while and it's still wet, so that's good. I think I just added dust. Pump off the back and drop it in. Looks nice. So the screen locks without issue. See if the touch screen works. Yep. Menu works. Looks good. Fits properly on the Z30. Yeah. I was looking at the 3-pack of Mr.Shield screen protectors for the Nikon Z30. Scout Photography Bonsai, thanks.